Sorry for interruption.
which has was to know about vocabs and all. So if we know
For
what
some
is
time, huh?
so we can learn an American book or maybe another country's book.
Okay.
And if we want a bird,
I
uh,
think you don't have any techniques. You are just repeating or regurgitating the same point, or rather, you are regurgitating the same points. But let it be. Uh, Language learning application, AI tools. You can use the word AI chatbot, virtual reality assistant. Okay, forget about it. Let's go to another question. Ah, please go. You might have heard that some people they live in an area where they don't know their local languages, right? They live in the same. For example, I live in Maharashtra, but I don't know Marathi, for example, right? So why does it happen, and what are the reasons behind it? People live in the same locality, but they don't know the language of locality of that area. Why does it happen?
sort of it's totally depend on the person,
Right.
right? Sometimes the ego of their own language is unclear. That why I speak that learn Marathi. I am Muslim, so I learn Urdu and Arabic.
Yeah, you're right.
Same
Right.
time, this ego occurs.
So like a personal belief, right?
Guys, okay,
Okay.
and but sometimes the person doesn't like that language.
Yes. Yeah, absolutely. You're right. You're right. Agreed. So, religious reason, belief, or personal tendency not to like that language. Right. Anything else?
So that's
Okay,
maybe
right.
right.
What do you know that people migrate from one country to another and they have really a lot of challenge? What are the challenges do they face when they travel from one country to another in terms of